Hey, this is Solution. Today we're seeing how to Flask project run on Docker in Ubuntu server. Let's go. This is our Ubuntu server. Plus, we can just project cd my project git colon clone git clone. Just our git column is done. Let's go. Where say guideline git. Now we are just our ls else you can your file adjust my file have just a minute we wait just our project my app build. There is no Docker installation, that's why I have to not run. Just we are in installation Docker. Yeah, our Docker installation is done. Now we are again try the build our project. I think almost is running our process. Yeah, our project is run is done. Now we are run our Flask project. I think our project is run. Now our project. Now we are just hit our port. This is our Flask project is done. Thanks for watching.